Hello traders, hello everyone. In today's trading tutorial we'll talk about a trading strategy that works very good on all markets and on all time frames. Please take a short moment to read the risk disclaimer. Don't forget guys that you can join our VIP Telegram group for full services by accessing the link posted right below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like our analyses, services, videos, tutorials, live webinars, you can like our videos. Thank you guys. So let's take a look and let's start with an example here on the euro versus the US dollar. And as you can see, personally I've selected 3 points, 1, 2, 3 pivot points here, 3 points to draw a descending pitchfork. If you want to know how to draw this trading tool, the EURUSD pitchfork, you can visit our YouTube channel, and there you have a trading tutorial, how to use the pitchfork in trading. So here I've drawn a descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. So what I'm looking for when I'm drawing a descending pitchfork, guys, so I've told you in my previous tutorials that personally I want to see something like this one here, like a false breakout above the upper medium line right after the price drops maybe a little, then it comes back, and then I want to see something like this candle here, like a false breakout with great separation. So the price, I will zoom it here, so the price has increased here. It has jumped above this level 1.2537 resistance, static resistance, and it has jumped above it, above the upper medium line, which is seen as a dynamic resistance, and then it has closed far below these resistance levels. So this is a false breakout with great separation, signaling that the price, that euro versus the US dollar, will drop deeper, will go down. Okay guys, so when I'm drawing a descending pitchfork after selecting 3 points, I'm looking for this setup here for maybe test retests, and personally I really like to see something like this. Personally I really like to see a false breakout with great separation, because this false breakout with great separation will help me to identify a great trading opportunity with a good and great risk to reward ratio, guys. So yeah, if I would have opened a short position right after the price action, the price has printed this false breakout with great separation right here, maybe at 1.2404 or 06, and if I would have placed a stop loss right above this high, right above this former high, this false breakout with great separation helps me to place and to hide my stop loss right above this high. Okay, so if I would have placed this trade from 1.2406 sell at market or sell stop here, I would have placed my stop loss right above this former high at 1.2561, and I would have placed my first take profit around the medium line of the descending pitchfork, and I would have a great risk to reward ratio. Okay, and personally maybe I would have, let's say that if I would have risked maybe $10 for this trade, and I would have win $20 at my first target at the medium line, guys. And as you can see, if I would have placed a second downside target at the lower medium line, look here, risk to reward ratio. So if I would have risked maybe, let's say, $10 for this trade, I would have registered a nice profit of more than $60, guys. So this setup helps me to identify great trading opportunities, and you can see here that the price has continued to drop. So this false breakout with great separation above the upper medium line of a descending pitchfork helps me to identify a selling opportunity, and helps me also to hide my stop loss right above it, right above this high, and to set a first target at the medium line and at the lower medium line. You can see here that the price has decreased a little. It has failed here to retest it. It has dropped it, but this one here, this false breakout with great separation, has signaled that the pair will go down, guys. And let's take another example on gold. And here we have an ascending pitchfork here on the 4-hour chart, and as you can see here, I've selected 1, 2, 3 points. The price has increased here as well, and then it has decreased. And here we have another false breakdown. We have here a false breakdown with great separation, so the price has decreased, it has dropped it right below the lower medium line, which acts as a dynamic support here. Maybe personally I would have liked it to see maybe like a larger drop here for a bigger or for a major false breakdown with great separation, so the price to drop maybe below this former low, below the lower medium line, and to close far above this low to print a pin bar, a false breakdown with great separation. Personally, maybe I would have liked it to see here maybe a retest after this false breakdown with great separation, which would have helped me to go long. But still, the price has registered a false breakdown with great separation below this medium line, confirming this lower medium line as a dynamic support and signaling that we have strong buyers around this level, around this lower medium line here. So here again, personally, I like to see this kind of false breakdowns with great separation when I'm drawing an ascending pitchfork. So the price to increase, and then maybe test, retest, false breakdowns with great separation, and then a higher high to confirm a further growth. Okay, so here this false breakdown with great separation was confirmed here by a bullish candle. So if I would have placed a long position maybe from above this immediate high, the price has rallied, has registered a valid breakout above this immediate high, has confirmed further growth. So if I would have placed maybe a long position here, and if I would have placed and hidden my stop loss right below these two former lows, and if I would have placed my first target here at the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, take a look here at the risk to reward ratio, and let's say if I would have risked maybe $10, I would have registered